Get a pan and put it on the stove. Turn on the heat. Wait the pan to get warm. Take out 2 slices of bread and place them on the pan. You toast one side in 1 to 2 minutes. Flip the bread and toast the other side in 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure the bread turns to golden brown color, and now you can take out the bread and place them on the plate. Cut the avocado. Cut it again. Remove the seed. Peel the avocado and slice it. Place the avocado on the bread. Turn on the heat. Add some cooking oil to the pan. Wait the pan to get hot. Get an egg and crack the egg into the pan. Wait until the egg white is fully cooked. Turn off the heat and take the egg out of the pan. And place it on the bread. Add little salt on the egg. Now, my toast with avocado and fried egg is ready. Let's enjoy!